It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong at today magluluto tayo ng isang simple at medyo imported na recipe na siguradong patok sa panglasa ng mga Pinoy. Let's start cooking!
Simple, luto na ha.
Ang recipe natin ngayon imported kasi galing Guam, but I think it's inspired by the Filipino kinilaw, no? So, ang difference ng kinilaw at kilawin is that kinilaw is when everything is raw. Ang kilawin is when there's an element that is cooked, so probably grilled or boiled. Ito naman ang tawag sa kanila ay Kilaguen. So, tignan natin kung paano ba siya gawin. Meron akong chicken breast. Imamarinate lang natin siya very simply. Sobrang simple ng recipe niya. Soy sauce, we're using Dato Puti soy sauce and Dato Puti vinegar. So, ito lang yung base ng ating marinade. A little bit of minced garlic, around 1 tablespoon, and black pepper. So, we just marinate that, let that soak at least for a few minutes. 10 to 15 minutes will do. And handa ko na rin yung aking dressing, no? Kasi pag sinasabi nating kilawin, may medyo maasim siya na dressing. So, very simple. Again, combine lang natin. So, instead, kasi may suka na tayo kanina, ang gagamitin naman natin dito ay calamansi. So, may 10 akong calamansi. Usually, they use lemon, no? But here, we're using calamansi. 10 calamansi, a little bit of sugar to balance. So, mayroon akong 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can use lesser. Rock salt, or you can use patis. So, I'm using rock salt, around 1 teaspoon of rock salt. And very much like our kilawin, meron tayong luya, minced ginger, minced onions. Yan. Diced red bell pepper. Yan, for some color. And some diced cucumbers. Yan. Sobrang easy ng ating recipe for today. Sa pulutan for people who love to have some drinks. And this recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series. Don't forget to grab your copies. It's available already. And as soon as your grill is hot enough, i-grill na natin yung ating chicken. Skin side down first. Yan. And I will add 1/4 cup of Dato Puti vinegar. Yan yung ating dressing. And of course, I'm chopping some chilies. So this is one of the most memorable dishes I had in Guam. Add it up. And very colorful. So, para mabilis yung luto, I'm just gonna score the chicken. Yan, para mas mabilis siya maluto. So, we can use the extra marinade to just baste our chicken. Yan. To keep it juicy and, of course, to add more flavor. Yan, kasi very quick lang yung pag-marinate natin kanina. Put it aside to rest. So, kailangan i-rest natin yung ating chicken kasi napagod nga siya nga i-grill, di ba? No, but actually, kailangan mo siyang i-rest so that, you know, when it's hot, it's being cooked kasi all the juices will turn into steam. So, if you slice it, the steam will escape and kasama na yung juice niya kasi naging steam nga yung juice. So, we let it rest for it to cool down again para mag-condense ulit yung kanyang steam back into juice. So, it will distribute itself into the proteins of the meat. So, that's why we rest our meat before slicing or chopping. And look at that, our chicken has cooled down a bit. Nakikita mo, it's not steaming anymore. So, ibig sabihin, medyo nag-settle down na yung juices niya. When it's cool enough to handle, you can now chop your chicken breast. So, para siyang sisig, no? Mince siya. You can even shred it if it's cool enough. Pwede mong i-shred. And we add it into our dressing, no? Our parang relish. Yeah. Sobrang sarap nito. Just toss it together. And to finish, let's just add some chopped cilantro. Just split. Parang it reminds me of the sea, di ba? Parang ganitong klaseng food. Parang may dagat at may beer, no? So here it is, our dish is done. Masarap siya, by the way, with a side of boiled camote or boiled bananas. Try this at home, our version of chicken kilaguen. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!